Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the door assembly in your LG dryer, you will need a Phillips screwdriver or drill driver with a Phillips bit. Unthread the 2 screws securing the door to the appliance. Having a helper hold the door is recommended. To install the new door assembly, rethread the 2 screws that secure the door to the appliance. And your dryer should be ready for use.